Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a MOTOROLA Moto G62 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again to find the build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you've got any kind of screen or kernel set, simply enter it, and now we can go back to the general settings and tap on the system. As you can see here, we've got the developer options, and just a quick disclaimer, we've got the tutorial of not only how to enable them, how to turn them on, but actually how to use them and where you can find there, so I highly recommend to simply check it. So let's enter the developer options, and here all we have to do is to simply scroll down just a little bit to find automatic system updates. Let's simply tap on this switcher, and from now on your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you don't really have to remember about manually updating your device, just remember about restarting it from time to time. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. So actually that's all. This is how to allow automatic system updates in your MOTOROLA Moto G62. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.